Hello and welcome back to Makaut CSE. In today's video, we will explore a very important aspect of communication, the last chapter, oral communication. It plays a vital role in both academic and professional life. From presentation and meetings through interviews and discussions, oral skills matter everywhere. We will understand what oral communication means and its various types. You will also learn the key elements that make speech effective. We will discuss the barriers to oral communication and how to overcome them. So, by then, you will know how to express your thoughts clearly and confidently. This topic is essential for students and you can say future professional alike. So, let's get started and strengthen your speaking skills. At first, what is oral communication? Oral communication refers to the spoken exchange of ideas, informations, or feelings between the individuals or groups. It includes face-to-face conversation, phone calls, presentation, speeches, and group discussion, GD round. This form of communication is immediate and interactive, allowing for instant feedback. It plays a major role in building relationship, sharing the ideas, and influencing others. Oral communication can be formal or informal, depending on the context. In professional settings, it must be clear, concise, and respectful. Effective oral communication boosts the confidence and help to avoid misunderstandings. It also enhances the collaboration in teams. With good speaking skills, you can make a lasting impression. Mastering it is key to success in both academics and the workplace. So now, types of oral communication. Oral communication can be classified into the formal and the informal types. Formal oral communication includes presentations, meetings, interviews, and classroom lectures. These are structured and follow specific protocols. Informal communication happens during the casual conversations, chats, or group discussions. Another way to categorize the oral communication is one-on-one communication, small group communication, and public speaking. In interviews and meetings, the tone and the content must be professional. In the classroom, students engage in oral communication during the question answer sessions or group activities. So, knowing the context and audience is essential for selecting the right tone and words. Each type demands different skills and preparation. Practicing different formats enhances the overall communication ability. The more you speak, the better you become. So, elements of effective oral communication. To be an effective speaker, you must understand the key elements of oral communication. First is clarity. Your words should be clear and easy to understand. Second is tone and pitch. This must match your message. The third is body language, which includes facial expression, gesture, and eye contact. Then comes listening. Active listening is just as important as speaking. Confidence and preparation help to reduce the nervousness and improve the delivery. Vocabulary and fluency play a big role in making the communication smooth. Your message must also be relevant and well organized. Practice helps to improve the pronunciation and articulation. Feedback is essential. Listen to others' responses and learn from them. A good communicator adapts their style to the situation and audience. Barriers of oral communication. Even good speakers face challenges due to barriers in communication. These barriers can be physical, like noise or distance, or psychological, like stress or fear. Language differences or the use of jargon can also cause confusion. Sometimes poor listening or distractions lead to misunderstanding. Cultural differences and varying communication styles also act as a barrier. So, a speaker's lack of confidence and nervousness may affect the clarity. If the message is not organized or is too lengthy, it loses the impact. So, poor pronunciation or grammatical mistakes can also interfere. Barriers reduce the effectiveness of communication. So, identifying and overcoming them is crucial for smooth interaction. The key is to be aware, adapt, and improve continuously. So, strategies to improve the oral communication. Improving the oral communication is all about practice, awarenesses, and feedback. So, start by listening to good speakers, observe their tone, structure, and gesture. Practice the speaking in front of a mirror or record yourself to evaluate your delivery. Expand your vocabulary and use the simple, powerful words. Always prepare before important conversations or presentations. Organize your thoughts with a short outline or bullet point. Maintain eye contact or speak with confidence. Join group discussions or clubs like debate or etc. to practice the regularity. Seek feedback from teachers, friends, or peers and work on weak areas. Learn to manage nervousness through breathing techniques and relaxation. So, over time, your oral communication or skills will become more natural and effective. So, that's all for today's video on oral communication. We understand its definition, types, elements, how to overcome barriers. Remember, speaking well is not just about grammar, it's about connection. Whether you are in class, an interview, or at work, your words matter. With daily practice and mindful improvement, anyone can become a confident speaker. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment for more useful lessons. Tell us in the comments what your biggest challenge in speaking English. Okay, so thanks for watching and keep practicing your communication every day. See you in the next video. Till then, speak smart and shine bright.